Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start differential equation question bank. So solution of the question bank. Here we start with question number 3 up to question number 2 we did in the previous video. Let's solve differential equation sec square y tan x dy plus sec square x tan y dx. So we'll write it in variable separable form. See here, this tan x we don't require over here, यहाँ पे tan y we don't require here. So we divide throughout equation by tan x into tan y. So if we divide by tan x into tan y, so we'll be getting here sec square y upon here tan y dy plus sec square x dx upon tan x. Yes, now it is equal to what? 0. अभी इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. इट इज़ वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. सी द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ dx is function of x, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ dy is function of y. So we integrate this. So we integrate this. So integrating this we get here it is tan y and this derivative of tan y is sec square y. Here it is tan x and its derivative is what? Sec square x. So it is of the form integral f dash of x. It is of the form f dash of x upon fx dx. So that is equal to what? Log of fx. So this integral is what? Log of fx. So this integral will be log of tan y, this integral will be log of tan x. So it is log of tan y plus log of tan x and plus log of c, constant of integration here, log of c. Now this will be log tan x into tan y. This will be what? Log n plus log n, which is log n into n. So it is log of tan x into tan y, that is equal to log of c. That is equal to log of c. Then here log of m is equal to log of n will imply m is equal to what? N. That means tan x into tan y will be equal to what? C. So tan x into tan y will be equal to what? C. So tan x into tan y is equal to C is a solution of the differential equation. This will be the solution of the differential equation. So tan x into tan y is equal to C is the solution. Now let's start another question. See, another question is solve differential equation. Solve differential equation dy by dx is equal to e raised to power x plus y, e raised to power x plus y So we solve this differential equation. Here e raised to power x plus y we can write as, इसमें आप लिख सकते हैं e raised to power x into e raised to power y. This is x square into e raised to power y. Then e raised to power y you can take common from here. It is e raised to power y into e raised to power x plus x square. So write variable separable form dy upon e raised to power y is equal to e raised to power x plus x square into dx. Now integrate it. So integrating both sides with respect to x, this will be integration e raised to power minus y dy is equal to integration e raised to power x dx plus integration x square dx. Now integration e raised to power minus y is what? E raised to power minus y is e raised to power minus y upon minus 1. So that will be e raised to power minus y upon minus 1 is equal to e raised to power x plus x cubed by 3 plus c. So we can rearrange the terms आप rearrange कर सकते हैं इसमें e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus y, this is taking in the right hand side, plus x cubed by 3 and is equal to c. So this will be the solution of the differential equation. Yes, this will be the solution of differential equation. Next question we attempt. आगे का क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फाइंड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फैमिली ऑफ एलिप्स whose major axis is twice the minor axis. See here, fourth question we attempt. We have to form the differential equation of family of ellipse whose major axis, see here, major axis is twice the minor axis, Now suppose we take the equation of ellipse. Here we take equation of ellipse x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1, and if we are taking major axis along x axis, तो इसका मतलब a is greater than b होगा. So or length of major axis will be what will be the major axis, length of major axis. See here, length of major axis will be 2a and minor axis will be what, 2b. Length of minor axis will be 2b, and this is what, 2 times. See, it is 2 times. So clearly this 2 is getting cancelled here, and a will be equal to what, a will be equal to 2b over here. तो आप a is equal to 2b रखो या b is equal to 1 upon 2a रखो. So it is one and the same thing. So x square upon a square is 4b square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now we solve this differential equation. So first of all एक इक्वेशन मिलना है आपको, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप 4 से, दिस इज 4. सो देयरफॉर यू आर गेटिंग द इक्वेशन x square plus 4y square is equal to 4b square. So you are getting this equation. इसमें आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट खाली एक ही है. सो वंस यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट इट, एक ही बार आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना होगा, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इज 1. सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस, इट इज 2x, डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस, इट इज 8y into dy by dx, and the right hand side is constant, so its derivative will be 0. So we can cancel this 2 we can cancel, it is 4, and the required answer is x plus 4y dy by dx, okay, it is equal to 0, is the formation of differential equation. So we have formed this differential equation, x plus 4y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now let's attempt next question, that is, here the question second, that is the fourth question. In fourth question पहले दो क्वेश्चंस जो है सो वो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में दैट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन योर पोर्शन एट प्रेजेंट, तो ये हमको नहीं करना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस 2 क्वेश्चंस आर डिलीटेड. नाउ विल सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सॉल्व differential equation, this differential equation dy by dx, see here dy by dx is equal to what? X plus y plus 1 upon x plus y minus 1, and this initial conditions are given over here. इसका मतलब आपको पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है. पहले तो जनरल सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है आपको. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड जनरल सॉल्यूशन? लिसन हियर, x प्लस वाई को आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. सो वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू लेट u इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. देन डिफरेंशिएट इट, du बाय dx इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस dy by dx. What will be dy by dx then? dy by dx is equal to du by dx, here du by dx minus 1. So make this substitution here, dy by dx is du by dx minus 1 here, therefore du by dx minus 1 is equal to, what is the right hand side? u plus 1 upon u minus 1. Now we take this 1 in the right hand side, therefore du by dx is equal to u plus 1 upon u minus 1, u plus 1 upon u minus 1 plus 1. LCM will be what? U minus 1 will be the LCM. Therefore, du by dx is equal to u minus 1 will be the LCM, and here u plus 1 plus u minus 1. Now this 1 is getting cancelled, and it will be 2u. This will be 2u upon u minus 1. Now write variable separable form here. So we solve this by using variable separable form method. U minus 1 upon u du is equal to 2 times dx. We took this u and u minus 1 here reciprocal, and 2 as it is, so here dx cross multiplication. Now integrate this, so integration of this will give us, here integrating this we get, that is integration u upon u and du. So du minus integration du upon u is equal to 2 times x plus c dash, suppose. Then integration du is what? U, it is u minus log of u is equal to 2x plus c, we can write here in place of c dash. What is our u? U is equal to x plus y. U is x plus y minus log of x plus y is equal to 2x plus c. As we want to find particular solution, so we are interested to find value of this arbitrary constant c. Here what is given? X is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 3. We substitute here. Already this 1x is getting cancelled here. So x is equal to 2 by 3, y is equal to 1 by 3 minus log of, here x is 2 by 3 and y is 1 by 3. So this gives us 1 and log of 1 will be 0. Right hand side is 2 by 3 plus c. This is getting 0 here. This will be equal to what? 0. This term will be equal to 0 because this is what? Log of 1, and it will be equal to 0. So 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 plus c. Therefore c is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then our particular solution will be what? Then our particular solution will be, here we are getting c is equal to minus 1 by 3. आपको c का वैल्यू कितना आया है? c का वैल्यू minus 1 by 3 आया है. So we get particular solution y minus log of x plus y is equal to x. c is minus 1 upon 3, and finally you can write the equation as, so if we take all the terms in right hand side, so we'll get x minus y plus log of x plus y is equal to 1 by 3. So we can write the equation in this form. Then we do the next question. Next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 में, see, to best of my knowledge there should be one mistake. Instead of dx it should be dy. So I made it like this. So this is already in variable separable form, so you have to simply integrate this. So we simply integrate this. So what is the solution then? It's x square by 2 is the integration of this. 2 times y square by 2 will be the integration of that, is equal to c dash we can write here. Now this 2 we multiply over here in the right hand side. So what we will get? X square plus 2y square is equal to 2c dash, and this 2c dash we will write as c only. So the solution of this differential equations, very simple question it is. X square plus 2y square is equal to c is the solution. We attempt now next question, that is fifth one, question number 5. Yes, question number 5 is what? You have to solve this differential equation, x square minus y into x square dy plus y square plus x into y square dx is equal to 0. Now let's solve this equation. Here see this x square, यहाँ पे x square है, यहाँ पे y square है. We can take common from here, तो हम x square common लेते हैं इधर, 1 minus y होगा into dy plus y square is there into 1 plus x dx. So we write variable separable form. So how we can write? Here we don't require this x square, here we don't require y square. So we divide throughout equation by x square into y square. So we divide throughout equation by x square into y square. So this x square is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे आएगा 1 minus y divided by y square into dy plus, यहाँ पे x square y square भी divide, so y square is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे आएगा 1 plus x upon x square dx. Right hand side is 0. Now it is in variable separable form, so we integrate both sides. So integrate this. This is what? 1 upon y square minus y upon y square dy plus integration of 1 upon x square dx plus integration of x upon x square dx is equal to c dash. Then we solve it further. So 1 upon y square we can write as integral y raised to power minus 2 dy. This 1y is getting cancelled here, minus integral dy upon y plus x raised to power minus 2 dx plus again this 1x is getting cancelled here, यहाँ पे आएगा dx upon x is equal to c dash. Then integration of dy upon y is what? Integration of dy upon y is log y, integration dx upon x is log x, integration x raised to power minus 2 is what? See here, x raised to power minus 2, x raised to power minus 2, y raised to power minus 2. So we solve it. This is y raised to power minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1 log of y plus x raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1 log of x is equal to c dash. Simplify it, ये log of x और ये minus log of y. So we can write the solution over here, minus of 1 by x plus 1 by y. We have grouped this here. So and plus log x minus log y. Log x minus log y is log of x upon y, and that is equal to c. So this will be the expected answer. Yes. Next is, see the sixth question we will do. We'll do now sixth question. So let's attempt sixth question. Here you can take y common from this. So question number 6. What is this question number 6? You have to solve the differential equation. See here, dy by dx is equal to, I am taking y common from here, so it is x square plus 1. Write variable separable form. So if you write variable separable form, you will get dy upon y is equal to x square plus 1 into dx. Now integrate this. Integrating this, we get here, integrating this both sides. So if you integrate this, log of y you will get log of y, and here integration of x square, it is x cubed by 3, and plus integration of 1 dx, that is what? X plus c. Yes, done. This is what the answer. Here the answer is this. Log of y is equal to x cubed by 3 plus x plus c is the answer of question number 6. So remaining questions we do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.